Okay, so now we are going to run the app through Kubernetes. I have made the whole thing into just one command. Okay, so let's run it. So now it's building the application. We just keep refreshing this. Okay, I'm just going to push the sentiment analysis front end, the sentiment analysis logic, and the sentiment analysis web app. I'm just going to use the image which I uploaded last time. So that's why these two say uploaded a month ago. This one I'm going to push. So once it gets pushed, this one will change from updated 5 minutes ago to updated a few seconds ago or a minute ago, something like that. Okay, so these ones you already know. These layers already exist, so that's why it says layer already exist. So just our app container will get pushed. Okay, so when this happens, just you have to take us a minute and then refresh it. Okay, make sure it's pushed, right? See how it changed to updated a few seconds ago. This is check number one. Then come here and refresh it. Sorry, not this one. Okay, Kubernetes deployments August 11, 2019, 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. All right. So I'm very happy. Okay, so to return minus 0.65. Okay, and it has done that. Okay, so now I'm going to test it in Chrome, right? Right. To return one. Okay, it's returning the same thing. Now let's view the developer tools. Okay, it's saying where it is contacting 192.168.99.103 31036. Okay, so now we are finally done. So let's see whether our service is running over here. Okay. Okay, so this is where our load balancer is running 192.168.99.103 Okay, 99.103. I am going to try to see I can make it run side by side, right? say 192.168.99.103.31.036. So that's where our load balancer is running. So I'm just doing this in a more elaborate way so that if you face issues, you can try to see at what step it things failed. Okay. Okay, this is where our service is running. Okay, so if you look at the GitHub, like you will see what files I'm replacing. In app.js, I'm replacing the port. So anytime you do stop deployment and start deployment, the source code is updated so that the front end load balancer contacts the correct service load balancer at the back end. Okay, so now you see the application is running in 31523, right? And you saw that the Docker Hub is already refreshed. Now it should say like 1 minute or 2 minutes ago, okay, 5 minutes before, right? So now let me stop this. Okay, now everything is stopped. If we go here, if we refresh it, nothing will show up. So now okay, it's still not pushed. Every time I'm deleting all the node modules which were installed and then I'm rebuilding it just to be on the safe side. This is like a push to start deployment. Just like don't save any state, wipe everything clean and then install it, right? This way if you have some changes which you're working on locally and you didn't check it in, or whether any global node modules are being used, it would fail locally also. Okay, that's the intent behind deleting the node modules. I mean, that's the reason why it also takes so much time, because I'm simply reinstalling it every time. You see, this is a very innovative way of job search. So this guy is from Russia and he's an extremely good Node.js developer. Okay, he's looking for a job, and in the console output he prints the author of this core.js is looking for a job. Okay, so just wait a minute. If you look at this one, well, last time it was 103.31.523, 103.30.537. So every time it is a different IP. Okay, so if you go to the previous one, it will never load. If you go to Docker Hub, okay, it will change to a few seconds ago. And if you go here and refresh this one, okay, it's loaded. Okay, so in Chrome we can see last time it contacted some other endpoint, right? Now if we try to refresh this will not load, mainly because our port changed. So let's copy this same link. Okay, so it's contacting a different one. So everything gets automatically updated. Okay, and you have to remember, this is not an external IP. This is just like the Linux VM, which is provisioned by Minikube on your own box. Okay, so that's it. This is done. So hope you had fun doing it and also learning it. Try to do it. It improves your confidence. Have a nice day.